नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासदि गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। सर्वप्रथम मेरे गुरुपाद धर्मों नित्यलीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सतस्य श्रीमद भक्ति वेदांत श्री भगवान श्री महाराज एवं नित्यलीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सतस्य श्रीमद भक्ति वेदांत श्री नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज जी का अभय चरण कमलों में अनंत बड़ी साष्टांग धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करता हूँ। तत्पश्चात नित्यलीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर श्रीमद भक्ति वेदांत गोस्वामी महाराज एवं आज इस सभापति महोदय
Also my obeisances to this so great personality, Shri Achyuta Bhattalan. I offer my pranam to him, Achyuta Bhattalan. Also to all the sannyasis, all the Vaishnavas. My Dandavat pranams many times to everyone. Yesterday, very beautifully, we spoke. About we celebrated Rupa Goswami Tirobhav Tithi, his appearance day, and the Vaishnavas very beautifully explaining about the life history of Rupa Goswami and also his contribution. Today, since morning also, we have been in English, for example, also in Hindi, listening from the Lotus mouth of Vaishnavas about the divine character and life history of Rupa Goswami. I want to speak only 2 words in front of you, so that my tongue will be purified. I want to speak just like Narottam Das Thakur. He described very beautifully Rupa Goswami. So this look, Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Stapitam Jena Bhakti. In our Guru Parampara, there is one speciality in our Guru Parampara. Rupa Goswami, in which way he established the inner desire of Mahaprabhu. In this way, in the same way, Srila Gurudeva, Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj, he preached it all over the world. He established the inner desire of his Gurudev and of Mahaprabhu all over the world. Who did this? Our Gurudev, Srila Narayana Maharaj. So some Vaishnavas, they describe very beautifully also this song, right? If Mahaprabhu had not manifested in this material world, today, this vichar or conception of Mahaprabhu, this achar, behavior of Mahaprabhu, and this bhava, topmost bhava of Mahaprabhu, last limit of prema, of divine love of Srimati Radhika, this topmost bhava of Srimati Radhika that Mahaprabhu manifested, who would know if Mahaprabhu had not come in this world? So in this way, Srila Gurudeva Narayana Goswami Maharaj, if he hadn't come to this material world, he would be able to manifest this Rupa Goswami, this current of Rupa Goswami in this material world. Srila Gurudeva, with his beautiful preaching and his assemblies also of Pandits, actually he established it in this world. Mr. Achyuta Bhattalan Ji, this was standing next to Gurudev. That Gurudev had one speciality, even in the topmost assemblies of topmost Pandit people. Many person very knowledgeable and all. If any person, even in this Pandit assembly, they speak anything a little bit wrong, then Gurudev would correct them. It's not like this, it's like this, especially in Mathura. And after Krishna Janmashtami, where there was this Bidwan Sabha, means the assembly of learned people. Many learned people used to come, the Pandits. And then they say that Krishna took birth in Mathura or Gokula. They were, even Bidwan Lok means many knowledgeable people, they were discussing this. And Gurudev used to establish. Gurudev had this conception, vichar, very beautiful conception. So Gurudev got this title. Which title Gurudev got? He's the Yuga Acharya. He got this title. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu é o Yuga Avatar. But Gurudeva é Yuga Acharya. All the Brajabasis gave this title to Gurudev. So if we speak about the glories of Gurudeva, so the glories of Gurudeva are not less than glories of Rupa Goswami. So in this way, the inner desire of Mahaprabhu is what? What is the inner desire of Mahaprabhu? Many times we listen about this. What did Mahaprabhu want? And what did Rupa Goswami give to the jivas in this world, especially? We are listening, especially in the time of Ratha Yatra. Mahaprabhu, when he used to chant and dance in front of Jagannath, he was absorbing Radha Bhav, the Bhav of Srimati Radhika. Swarupa Damodar knew his Bhav. Swarupa Damodar knowing his Bhav. He used to recite one sloka, Saito Parananata, this sloka, which means after this Sudiga Vipalamba means very much separation. Radhaji herself, when she used to meet, when she was going to meet her beloveds, she explained the waves of happiness which were in her heart. So acharyas from past, like from Bengal, Chandidas and Vidyapati, they are very rasa acharyas, and they manifested these rasas also. Mahaprabhu also used to sing these kirtans of Jayadeva Goswami, etc. Or, Swarupa Damodar used to sing these kirtans, and these would increase the bliss or the bhav of Mahaprabhu. When Mahaprabhu was suffering in separation, at this time Swarupa Damodar and Ramananda, very beautiful Rasa Madhurya shlokas of Rasa Madhurya, they used to sing these slokas from Mahaprabhu. What the meaning of what I want to say, the purport of what I want to say is that Swarupa Damodar and Ramananda, how much they were at Antaranga Parishada, means internal associates of Mahaprabhu. Swarupa Damodar Ramananda was very also learned in scholar in this assembly of many learned people. When Rupa Goswami was in this assembly, so the poetry and the Madhurya, they used to read the slokas that Rupa Goswami had written, the poetry of Rupa Goswami. And this Swarupa Damodar, Ramananda and others, they became very satisfied. For example, when they were Swarupa Damodar, Ramananda, I think Ramananda has said, manifest the beauty of your poetry. Slokas of the book that Rupa Goswami had written is Vidagdha Matav Natakam. This sloka. Anarpita Charincharat. In this sloka there is the name of Mahaprabhu. This last line. This is the sloka of invocation of this Vidagdha Matav Nartakam. Externally, when they're discussing about the poetry in the books of Rupa Goswami, even the learned and scholars, they used to like so much what he wrote. They used to be very happy. So all these granthas like Bhagavatam Sindhu, Jal Nilaman, etc. There is lokas of like definition, like grammar, like definition. It's like a grammar book. There, all the definitions are inside. If you want to study very nicely one language, for example, you have to learn the grammar, Vyakaran. It describes each thing. For example, what is Shraddha? Shraddha is the definition of Shraddha. For example, many Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explains different kinds of Shraddha, but this is the definition of Shraddha. You abandon all the types of you serve Krishna, being favorable to Krishna. When your heart is only wants Krishna Bhakti, this is Shraddha. Through another sloka also describes what is Sadhusanga. All these definitions. In English we say, what is a pronoun, what is a noun, what is an adjective, and you give examples to understand what is this thing. So for you to study. So in the same way, in the Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, like waves, all these things are being explained and defined, you know, like even what is a sadhak also is described. One thing is a sadhaka, another thing is a siddha. What is the definition of sadhaka? What is the definition of sadhaka? We speak of sadhaka, but there is also a definition of sadhaka. Who is sadhaka? It says in this book. That person who is qualified got the qualification to see Krishna, have the darshan of Krishna, but because of some impediment cannot have the darshan. Already the person has roti, but still he has no Krishna darshan. There is some obstacle. So who is a sadhak? For example, Gurudev said, okay, we say we are sadhaka and sadhaka, but if we see the definition of sadhaka, we are not sadhaka, we are not even sadhaka bhas. The semblance of sadhaka is we are very far from being a sadhaka. What is a siddha? Perfect soul. What is a siddha? There is also the definition of what is a siddha. So with examples of Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, also we will explain these 5 kinds of rasas. These 4 rasas, they manifest completely in the Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. And then he explained just a little bit of Madhurya Rasa, Rupa Goswami. But in the other book, Ujjwal Nilamani, he will explain completely about Ujjwal Nilamani. About Madhurya Rasa, this 5th rasa, no? Madhurya Rasa. What is a Naika, what is a hero, heroine, all these beautiful vicharas. He showed all this very beautiful, very beautiful. What is this? Giving examples, he manifested and explained very beautifully. And also he did some Leela Granthas, like Granthas of pastimes. No, sorry, no. So he also showed what is prema according to different kinds of sneha. There are 30 kinds of sneha. There's the Krishna Nishta Sneha, Abhay Nishta Sneha, and third, Radha Nishta Sneha. Krishna Nishta, Vrindavandarika Dhanishta, these gopis, with examples and with shlokas. Rupa Goswami, if there's no shloka of Shastra proving, he did the own shlokas proving. And also he created the shlokas also, defining it. Lalita Vishaka, they have same love, they have Vishnu for both Radha and Krishna. This third group of gopis, they have Aikantika Nishta, means one-pointed Nishta in Shrimati Radhika. They are the Manjaris. One specialty of Radha Nishta is also the Manjaris, they have Radha Nishta. So our Goswamis like Vishwanath Chakravarti and they manifest even more in a beautiful way the Bhava of Rupa Goswami. The same shlokas of Rupa Goswami, they manifested and described and explained in a very beautiful way. So Vishwanath Chakravarti. So if you have a Kantika Nishta, one-pointed Nishta for Shrimati Radhika, if you're not one-pointed Shrimati Radhika, you cannot get Manjari Bhava. So first you have to have Guru Nishta, then Nam Nishta, Bhajana Nishta. Then later you get Radha Nishta. Now it's not easy to attain Manjari Bhava. 5 kinds of Sakhis, Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi, Prana Sakhi. So Nitya Sakhi and Prana Sakhi, they are the Manjaris. And Swayam Radhaji herself, she reflects or puts all her bhavas like a mirror. She reflects all her bhavas in the heart of Manjaris. This is very beautiful. So Rupa Nogacharya was the best of Rupa Raghunatha Goswami. In his first shloka, he says, we say this kind of vanana praise to gurus like Om Agyantiram Dasa, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu. But our Raghunatha Goswami, when he is going to do praise of Guru, praying to Guru, absorbed in his own transcendental form of Vrati Manjari. He was like praying to Rupa Goswami, Rupa Manjari. In which way all this bhava is being explained. So when you have so much sneha or affection, then you chastise more this person. I remember one thing, when we used to do Navadvip Parikrama with Gurudeva every year. Navadvip Parikrama also used to do Tulasi Parikrama in the Vananda Gauriya Math. We used to walk behind Gurudeva like a shadow. And there's so many thousand people like pressing, pushing us. And Gurudeva used to beat us with the danda. He used to beat us, Gurudeva. We were just behind him not to push him, but he used to beat us. Then Gurudeva said, look, these people are from outside. How can I do danda and like chastise with them? Beat. I have to do this on. I'm about to finish. So in the same way, Sri Rupa Goswami is explaining. What Lila he's remembering. This sloka is very beautiful. Through this sloka, Rupa Goswami Pada. In which way the sneha and priti, he accepts the sneha and priti and the chastisement of Shrimati Radhika. The Guru chastisement means the mercy of Guru. So the chastisement of Shrimati Radhika means hers causeless love and affection. So one time, Shri Radha and Krishna, they were playing of a hide and seek.
और कथा को संक्षेप में बताता हूँ।
There's not so much time, but I'll tell briefly. There, Krishna was a hidden. Oh, sorry.
और
Who was hiding?
जहाँ पर कृष्ण
Who
है
was hiding? Who?
और
Krishna hiding.
वहीं पर भ्रमण आदि जब भ्रमणाते रहते हैं,
So there was a-
राधे कृष्ण के को
Krishna was hiding. There was one
फिर राधा जी
bumblebee.
छूटने लगे।
Then Shrimati Radhika knew Krishna was there. Then
राधा
Shrimati
जी
Radhika
जब
was
छूटने
hiding.
लगे, उसी स्थल
later.
पर कहते हैं,
And-
लीला निकुंज कोरे भवते मुकुंद
First Krishna was hiding, then Shrimati Radhika saw where he was because of a bumblebee. So
मुकुंद जय कृष्ण
So when
जय
Krishna
राधा के
Radhika was
कृष्ण का
hiding,
स्पर्श किया। और राधा जी क्या कर रही है?
Krishna somehow touched
श्लोक
her.
में जो अर्थ में बताया,
Also read the meaning of the slok.
अपने सखियों के जय ये रूप मंजन सखियों के पर
Shrimati
उसको होकर के
Radhika
कार्य,
became angry for her Sakis, Rupa
मैं
Manjari.
यहाँ पर सुख
That she told, I was hidden.
मंजरी क्या बनी? चित्रैव सुचितवती रुचिराक्षी नाम, हे रुचिराक्षी हे सुंदर कमल।
Why did you tell where I was? Shrimati Radhika chastised Rupa Manjari.
मैंने नहीं
But Rupa Manjari said, it was not me who